It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. And as we go through this time of crisis, we've experienced isolation, quarantine. I want you to know that good can come from crisis. Yeah. See, the word quarantine is taken from the Latin word quadraginta, and it means a period, originally 40 days of detention and isolation imposed upon ships, persons, animals, or plants on arrival at a port when suspected of carrying some infectious or contagious disease. As we look at the history of the world, though, we can see that 40 is a number that brings about new opportunities and great new possibilities. See, Moses stayed on Mount Sinai for 40 days. Noah, and he dealt with the flood for 40 days. Jesus fasted for 48 days, and Lent is 40 days. And after each experience, the world was different. During the quarantine, we are seeing air become cleaner and less pollution, less smog, and people who were without faith are turning to God. So during this time of challenge, I encourage you to look for the good that can come from the 40 days that we might have to quarantine or be different from everybody else. This is your time to win. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Remember, your best is yet to come, and keep this and make this part of your daily routine. Your best is yet to come.